Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amanda and today I am bringing you this makeup look where I recreate my makeup from my gender reveal. I hope that you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. So the first thing we're going to do is go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I am using the shade Perfectionist, which is a light mauve, kind of brownish color, and I'm using the Morphe brush JH35. And I'm just going in windshield wiper motions back and forth in my crease. Next, I'm going in with the shade Comfort Zone. It's more of a medium mauve brownish color. Both Perfectionist and Comfort Zone are a matte eyeshadow shade. And I'm using the blending brush Morphe JH34. And I'm just going slightly underneath Perfectionist, and I'm just blending this eyeshadow back and forth in my crease, trying to keep it off the eyelid as well. Next, I'm going in with the shade Thick Skin. It's a matte, dark mauve brown color. And I'm using the Morphe brush E17. It's just a finer, smaller blending brush. And I am just going in more with the outer corners of my eyes and into my crease, just to kind of give a little bit more dimension to this eyeshadow look. Next, I'm going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, and I am using the eyeshadow shade Faint, and I am also using a little bit of Fix Plus. So I'm lightly spraying my eyeshadow brush, which is the TNT 154, with the Fix Plus, and then I'm going to go in with that faint eyeshadow color, and it's a really pretty shimmery light pink color. And this just gives the eyeshadow shimmer a more metallic kind of look when you spray it with the Fix Plus. And as you can see here, I'm first patting it onto my eyelid, and then I lightly start to blend it up to my crease. Okay, next I'm going in with the eyeshadow Central Park. It's a very matte dark brown color, and I'm using the Morphe brush M432, and I'm just using this as an eyeliner on my under eye. I'm just kind of stamping it out. And then I'm going to use a pencil brush to buff it out with no product on it. And the pencil brush that I am using is the TNT 130. Next, I'm going in with the same eyeshadow, the Central Park and the M432 Morphe brush, just to apply the brown eyeshadow to my upper lash line as well. And it's just to kind of give more of a soft look than going in with regular eyeliner. As you can see here, I'm just lightly stamping it. And then I am going to go in with the shade In Light, which is a shimmer gold highlight color, and I'm using the Morphe brush JH42. It's just a very, very small eyeshadow brush, and I'm applying this to the inner corner of my eyes and to my brow bones just to help lighten the look and give a little bit of highlight to the eyes. Then I'm going to go in with mascara, and the mascara that I am using today is the Tarte Lights Camera Splashes Black Mascara. It's a waterproof mascara that I'm using, and as you can see, I am just starting at the root of my lashes and wiggling the wand outwards just to ensure that I get all of the lashes covered. Then I'm going to go in with the Benefit Hoola Lite as a kind of like a contour bronzer that I'm using. And I just used the brush that came with the palette. And I'm just applying it to the hollows of my cheeks and to my forehead just to bring some warmth. And then for blush, I am using Jaclyn Cosmetics Rouge Romance in the shade French Kiss, and I'm using the blush brush TNT 222. And I'm just applying this to the apples of my cheeks and blending it out. Then I'm going to go in with Jaclyn Cosmetics Do Me Luminous Powder, and I'm using the brush J01. It is a brush that I got from Jaclyn Cosmetics as well. And then I'm just applying that to my cheekbones, and then I do apply a little bit to my nose, mainly the tip of it. And then I'm going to go in with Jaclyn Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Mom. So for my ginger reveal, I actually used a lighter shade of pink called Isla. But this is more of a hot pink that I really like. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.